Welcome to MQL Robot EAS, your source for automated trading strategies built with FXDreema without writing a single line of code. In this video, we introduce the Psar ADX Trend EA, designed for MetaTrader 4. This robot focuses on trend-following logic, combining the Parabolic SAR and the average directional index, ADX, for entry signals, making it ideal for traders who follow clean directional momentum. Core strategy logic. The strategy uses two key indicators: Parabolic SAR to detect short-term trend direction and price reversal points, ADX, average directional index, to confirm the trend's strength using a threshold filter. In this case, when ADX is greater than the custom line for trend setting, when both conditions are met. If Psar is below the price and ADX confirms a strong trend, the EA places a buy order. If Psar is above the price and trend strength is valid, the EA opens a sell order. Each trade is executed only once per bar to prevent over-trading on small fluctuations. Dynamic stop loss and take profit. One of the EA's highlights is its dynamic money management, where both stop loss and take profit levels are adjusted based on indicator inputs. Stop loss is dynamically calculated using the Parabolic SAR based on a custom step size and maximum level. Take profit is determined using the ATR, average true range, multiplied by a custom factor for flexibility. This allows the EA to adapt to market volatility and avoid fixed SL/TP traps during ranging or choppy periods. Settings and customization users can modify key input parameters directly from the EA's constants panel, including lot size, maximum number of buy-sell orders, Psar and ADX parameters, ATR settings for TP trailing stop features, optional block. This gives full control to traders who want to adjust the EA for different pairs, time frames, or volatility levels. Important note: before you trade, before running this EA on a live account, make sure to understand the logic of trend following. Strategies: analyze market risks and volatility. Always backtest the EA with 99.9% tick data using reliable data sources to validate its behavior in both trending and ranging markets. No EA is plug and play. Proper understanding and backtesting are the keys to consistent results. Thank you for watching. If you like these no-code EA builds, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore our playlist. Build a Forex EA robot, no code, FXDreema, right here on MQL Robot EAs. See you in the next build.